Hey there, girlfriend. Do you got a bag full of makeup? Well, you are in the right place. If you've ever asked yourself, when is it time to refresh or replace my beauty products? We are definitely going to get to the bottom of that in today's video. We will see you inside. Hey there, girlfriend. My name is Ingafay, and I'm a confidence coach. In today's video, we are going to talk about some monthly cleaning regimens that we want to do with our beauty products. Secondly, we're going to discuss some of the quarterly swap outs that we should be doing on a regular basis. Yeah, we do have some quarterly, so if you got some stuff you got in your bag for over a year, it's time to get rid of it. And then last but definitely not least, we're going to talk about some seasonal updates just to keep our makeup game up to par. And I'm so excited to share this information with you. So let's do this, shall we? All right, so let's talk about some monthly cleaning regimens that we should be doing on a regular basis. So, when I think about monthly regimens, I am thinking about brush cleaning. Yes, we should be cleaning our brush on a regular basis. Now, first and foremost, hear me out here when I say this. You need to do some kind of spot cleaning when you use your brushes daily. So that would be through a brush cleaner, and the Mary Kay brush cleaner is ideal for this. You can just wet your brush, spray the brush cleaner on there, make sure that your brush is pointing down. So you want your brush to be pointing down at all times, and then just massage the cleansing formula into the brush, and then make sure that you dry the brush in this upside down orientation to make sure that the water does not go up into the brush bristles where the glue is. Because if you have it like this, all the water is falling down into the brush bristles. But if you have it down, facing down, then you'll make sure that all of the water is going away from the glue, which means you'll be able to have your brushes for years instead of having to buy them every few months or every year. Okay. So this is a spot cleaning, what I'm just describing with the brush cleaner, that spray brush cleanser that we have in the Mary Kay line. But you want to make sure that you're doing a deep cleaning of your brushes on a monthly basis. Now, let me say the monthly basis is really for people that have normal to dry skin. If you have combination to oily skin, girlfriend, we are more prone to breakouts, and I'm a combination to oily skin person as well. So we need to clean our brushes every 1 to 2 weeks, just depending on your skin. Okay, if you're more prone to breakouts, I would go to a weekly deep clean. If you're not as prone to breakouts, but you still got oily skin, I will do more of an every 2 weeks cleaning. So let me give you the breakdown. Typically, I clean every 2 weeks during the winter time because it's not as humid and I don't have as many breakouts as I normally do. However, during the summer, I am more likely to clean my brushes every week. So that's just a rule of thumb to give you a heads up. But this is definitely what you want to do on a monthly basis when it comes to your brushes. Now, before we go on to talk about your quarterly swap outs, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We upload a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat. So be sure to subscribe. Now, I am sure that when you saw this video and you saw that I was talking about quarterly swap outs, you're probably thinking, quarterly swap outs? What is she talking about? Yes, we do have quarterly swap outs, something that you would do on a quarterly basis, similar to what you would do with your toothbrush. Yes, you swap out your toothbrush every 3 months. And these products that I'm about to share with you today also need to be swapped out every 3 months. So you want the 411 on what those are? Well, girlfriends, first and foremost, it's your eye products. Anything that is affiliated with your eye, you need to swap out every 3 months. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about your mascara. I'm talking about your lash serum. If you have a lash serum that helps grow your lashes. I'm also talking about your lash primer, in addition to your eyeliner. And if you use an eye curler, the little rubber inside, you need to swap out those inserts as well. So all eye area products you need to swap out on a quarterly basis. And why, you might ask, is because of the bacteria buildup that these products can have. Anytime you use something around the eye area, if you don't swap it out on a quarterly basis, you are more likely to have an eye infection. Now, granted, does that mean you'll get one if you wait 4 months or 5 months? I want you to err on the caution side more so than taking it to the next level. I know some of you are probably thinking, girl, I don't do that. I'll wait till my mascara dries out or I'll wait till my eyeliner is gone. I understand some of you are already going to do that, and probably you're doing that now. But it is my duty as your beauty enthusiast girlfriend to share this information with you that your eye products need to be swapped out quarterly. Okay. Now, in addition to your eye products, if you have any kind of cleansing brush, the brush head needs to be swapped out quarterly. So you want to make sure that you're swapping that out similar to what you do to your toothbrush. You know how your toothbrush, the brush gets kind of frayed. The same thing can happen to your cleansing brush. So you want to make sure that you swap out your eye products and your cleansing brush head every 3 months. Now, I'm curious, how often do you guys swap these items out? Before you heard me tell you this, I'm curious. Comment below and share that below with me. I would love to know. You know, when we know better, we do better. There's no passing judgment on you right now. I'm just curious to know what you do. I know before I did it, I actually was doing it in my eye colors. I used it until it was gone. That's pretty much what I did. But like I said before, when you know better, you do better. So make sure that you're doing that on a regular basis. So let's talk about seasonal updates. So when you saw that, I'm sure you were thinking, seasonal updates, what is that all about, Inga? Well, seasonal updates are basically the changes that we do as a result of the season. When we are in the winter, a lot of my clients switch over to more hydrating moisturizers because we are in an environment that has been moisture deprived. However, in the summer, where it's more humid, they will use more combination to oily type products because it's more humid. So that's a thing that you want to update. Let's talk about the colors. You know, the fall is when we have those deep berries and oranges that we wear in our regimen. However, the spring is when we have those really bright pinks and plums that we like to wear in the spring. So that's a time to update as well. And then even the eye colors, just depending on what we're wearing, because of the different colors and the seasons that are changing, that have different feels and different, you know, the warmer weather has more of a warmer feel because and the stuff that we wear is more lightweight because we're out and about, and you know, it's more vacay time than it is working time. We're so in the fall and the winter, we have more things that we're doing inside and not as many on the outside. So there's a different feel for that as well. So you want to think about your makeup and your skin regimen to complement the seasons. And I found that an excellent way to do that is through a beauty bag subscription. It allows you to try different things during the different seasons and be able to update your regimen and not necessarily use the same old products that you've been using forever. So when it's time to make those seasonal changes, that you're more willing to do that because you have an opportunity to try something new, probably something you probably would never try before, and gives you an opportunity to level up your makeup game or your beauty regimen in general. So if you're interested in learning more about the beauty bag subscription, by all means, click the link below and it will tell you all about my beauty bag subscription called the IBB, and it's Inga's Beauty Bag. And it is a quarterly subscription that allows you to try and dabble into at least 5 different products that some will be full size, some will be minis, and some will even be samples that you can really try before you buy in the comfort of your home at a cost that is just affordable. So if you're interested in that, by all means, click that link. And as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.